Hey folks, remember we had this formula from 9.1 last test when we were looking for sample size and we're talking about proportions. So it turns out we have a new formula for sample size, but when we're talking about means, when they give us a standard deviation. So if we read the problem number three, you'd like to estimate the average rent paid for a studio apartment in Culver City. Past data indicate the sample standard deviation is 300. How many studios would you need to SRS, simple random sample, to be within $50 of the actual average and with 90% confidence? Words. What did they actually want? Do they want me to form a confidence interval? It doesn't say confidence interval. It does say how many studios would you need to SRS? How many studios would you need to simple random sample? How many studios would you need to sample? They are looking for sample size N. Aha. Okay, so here's our new formula. Don't forget to square it. They give us 90% confidence. We know that one. The 90% confidence we have memorized. But also notice on your t-table, let's see if we can see this on our t-table. Remember on the t-table that at the very bottom is the z-values. So you can see this is horrible. You can see the 1.282, 1.645, 1.96, 2.326. So if they want 90% confidence, we go to the 90% and they go all the way down to the bottom to the z, and we see the 1.645. You have your own t-table so you can see that. So 90% confidence, 1.645. The sample standard deviation S is 300. Star. And then the margin of error. Does that look good? Margin of error. Margin of error. Does it say margin of error, big E? No, it says within. So within, whatever falls within is our margin of error. So that's a 50. And remember, just like when we use this formula, we need to round up to the nearest whole number. So let's put our numbers in here on 1.645 times 300 divided by 50. Enter. Square that mess. Enter. So that gives us n equal 97.4169. But remember, we need to round up to the nearest whole number. So we have to sample at least this many things. So we would say 98. We don't normally round up like that. Only for sample size n, we must round up. Oakley dokley. Hopefully that made sense.